She's standing up. Coming back. That's the bulldog posture. Also, you can steer with your foot pegs too. That takes a little getting used to. It's just putting pressure, just like you do when you put pressure on the handlebars to turn. You're putting, and when you get in a straight, just lift one leg up, one leg down, and you'll see how it turns. Yeah. So if you feel like you're going in a direction you're struggling to correct yourself, just put that weight on the foot peg and let the bike move. You stay vertical. Exactly. You're just weaving. You know, right now I'm just doing weaves with just my foot pegs. So if you see a line that you're not liking, just put the pressure on the foot peg to get you going where you want to go. You know, and the term is steering with your foot pegs. Okay, you just passed me. Oh, you guys right there. You guys are keeping up. I'm going slow. No. I know you can. Little downhill right here. Well, I'm glad it was a cool holy crap and not like this is miserable. Yeah, no drop off. You're good. You're good. No drop off. Get your bearings and you're good. There's nothing too sharp up here. There'll be an inside Sharpie, but that's better than an outside Sharpie. See, senor, I'm busy watching where my bike's going. That's my number one focus. I like that green down there. Go Iron, go Iron, go. Iron's so happy I got those new tires. Depends on what side of the cliff you're on. Not cliff, but hill. Embedded rock, not loose rock. Yeah. It's a second gear rocky. I see some stuff that we saw in the Valley of the Gods, right? That far left over there. Two. That's a turnoff. That's just a turnoff for a campsite or something. Not loose rock, it's just a polished rock with pits of gravel, but you're good. It's all manageable. No shelves. There's a little shelf, but you can avoid them. You got plenty of time. Yeah, and Leo, standing up takes all that jarring out of your neck and your back. Your legs are going to work out, but you're not gonna sprain your neck by getting belly whop. He knows when he sees heavy metal. Ain't the first time he's seen heavy metal down here. There's a couple GS's coming up when we, not now, but we passed them. Yeah. So Leo, what I do is I take all this rough stuff standing. As soon as I see a smooth spot, I sit down and give myself a break. And then when the rough stuff comes again, I stand up. I'm not going to stand up all the way through it because I want to take a break. Yeah, you stay left or right and you get out of that middle stuff. Okay, cars coming. So at some point we can take a break up here when we find some shade. No, we're good. I just would like a break when an opportunity presents. So yeah, drink water, have a granola bar, take a leak, give my shoulder a break. And that concentration is deep. That's nice. When you get up to the flats here, yeah, with all the rocks I'm hitting, I'm glad I didn't lower my pressure. You get to walk out there and take a look. My legs are shaking. That's really cool over there on the left. Those green, kind of pasturey looking things. Yep. Crazy, crazy. I'm ready. My legs are killing me, but you know what? It's because the boots are putting pressure on the leg when you walk. I'm sure I'll be feet up, belly down when I get back. That's why I don't bother. I don't look. I just ride on. There'll be a point where that kind of journey is too much. Look at him go. He's the spaceman. The cyborg. Yes. All right, guys, so we're back on. Got done with Schaefer's. Now we're kind of in the flatlands here, cruising. Leo, you back there? Oh, okay. Okay, Leo, you got a steep left, right-hand turn at the top of that hill. Just ride it down. Just ride it down. Oh, that's gorgeous, that white rim right there. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna slow down and take in the view. Yeah, be careful. You don't want to hit too hard. That bike's not built for this. You are. Absolutely. So these slick rocks give you a workout. And I see it right up ahead. It's right up ahead. I don't think Dan stopped, but I'm stopping. Yeah, I just need to readjust my helmet because my sunglasses are on the tip of my nose and I'm having a hard time. I might take them off. Airport campsite. This smooth rock is a workout. Oh, we got to do this again. You know, you need a rest, just slow her down, you know. Go around that big shelf to your left, guys, unless you want to test your skills. Conquer your fear, conquer your fear. Little ball crusher, so you're bouncing up and down off your seat and you land wrong. Legs are burning. I'm in first gear right now. Can't go much slower. I can, but Iron wouldn't be happy. Yeah, absolutely. No horizon, just stay to your right. Stay to your right. It's all flat rock, smooth rock. Yeah, when you go a little bit slower, you get to kind of weave in and out of those bulging rocks instead of just blasting over them. Look at you, Dan, look at you. The penis. Yeah, that's like That's the whole family of them. That's all the Temple of the Gods. Nice slick rock. I'm right behind you a little ways. Going up over this hill onto the flat rock. Yeah. Dropping over shelves and oh yeah, there's no way. Even in first gear, you're getting fucking bounced all over the place. Just gotta let the bike move. That smooth rock is deceiving. Now if I can just keep the Magoo syndrome where my glasses end up on the tip of my nose. There's a long workout stretch here. Off-camber turn there for you, Leo. Right-hand turn. Yeah, it's off-camber, so, but it's smooth rock. Trying to find the smoothest path so I can rest. But that ain't for long, because here she comes. Come on, train, give me a break. Thank you. That was short-lived. Look at that gorgeous white rim. Okay, concentrate, Iron, concentrate. You okay? What one left what? What'd you lose? Oh. You got a nut crusher, huh? Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. Dan's over there. Watch out, there's a lot of loose rocks here. Someone's making like a little art thing. It's like, I'll fix those bikers. Booby trapping us. It's gonna be an Advil night. Concentrate, concentrate. No more daydreaming. I feel a break time coming up. Look at that. Look at that. Where are you, Dan? I don't see you. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. I'm not. I see them Shinko footprint. That must mean Dan's come this way. I was following your footprints. I can tell a Shinko when I see a Shinko. I am getting tired though. Yeah, I think when we get to Murphy's, we'll turn around.
Oh God, you guys didn't go straight, did you? Because I went straight. I got buried, bro.
Yeah.
We're digging each other out right now.
Sorry.
All right, do you need me to come back and help you?
Nope.
Okay. Yeah, Dan went down that trap. You get to try out that new tire you got. My mirror here blinded me for a little bit. This one down here.